Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram something went wrong. So guys, when you want to open anything on your Instagram app and facing this type of issue, we are sorry but something went wrong, please try again later. So guys, when I am going to reload this page, then guys facing this issue again and again. So guys, simply you can fix this problem. So guys, first of all you need to go back, and guys after going to back you need to open your settings on your phone, and guys you need to open your Wi-Fi, and guys turn on your Wi-Fi, and guys you need to connect any Wi-Fi with your iPhone. So guys, if not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data, and guys after doing this simply you need to go back, and guys secondly you need to open your settings again, and guys you need to find here app management. You need to click on this tab, click on app list, and guys here you need to find Instagram. So guys simply you need to find here Instagram, and guys after this you need to click on storage and cache, and guys you need to clear cache, and guys after this you need to go back, and guys third is you need to open your Play Store, and guys here you need to search Instagram, and guys after searching here you need to open your Instagram, and guys you need to update your Instagram from here, and guys after doing update all the bugs will be fixed in your app. So guys after doing this method your problem will be fixed. So guys now I am going to open my Instagram app, and guys now you will see that your problem will be fixed. So guys as you can see here, when I am opening this tab, and guys now you can see all the features is working fine now. So guys after doing this method, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on system, and guys you need to click on reset phone, and guys you need to click on reset Wi-Fi settings, and guys simply you need to reset, and guys after doing this you need to click on date and time and make sure that date and time is set automatically, and guys after doing all the settings your problem will be fixed. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.